Hare Krishna Prabhu. My question is about Ajamila. He was practicing worship of Narayana Sila and he was mindful in his worship. And at the time of death, he did two things. One is he chanted loudly Narayana's name. And the second thing is he chanted helplessly. So these two things in the foreground. And in the background, his memory was not on Lord Narayana, but his son named Narayana. And so whatever we practice during our lifetime, same thing we will get it at the time of death. So his practice was mindful, but his memory was not on Lord. And also I want to understand how that weight of helplessly chanting. We are also loudly doing Sankirtana, but we are not helplessly chanting. And the thing is, materially satisfied person may not utter the chanting with the quality of feeling. So can you help me understand this?
You already understood.
No, helplessly chanting.
You have explained it. Yes, when you chant helplessly, you see, feelings are closer to intelligence. The chittams, feelings, are closer to Atma than Buddhi. So, when we are practicing devotional service, which means what? Egoing for Krishna, thinking for Krishna, feeling for Krishna, willing for Krishna, or thinking connected to Krishna, feeling connected to Krishna, willing connected to Krishna, doing connected to Krishna. So Krishna connected, egoing, thinking, feeling, willing. So when we are practicing sadhana, according to our different past, the thinking, past thinking is there, past feeling, past willing. Some of them may be, due to our past thing, may be more fine-tuned towards Krishna consciousness. For some people, that feeling, it's all due to the past lives. It may be fine-tuned closer to this. When it is fine-tuned to jnana, you call him a jnani. Like that. In other words, each of us, our subtle body has got different proclivities due to the past karma. Of all these, the feelings because the original feeling of the living entity is the cause for coming here into this material world. It is not thinking, it is a feeling. Forgetting Krishna is a feeling. Remembering Krishna is a feeling. Forgetting your Lord is a feeling. It started with that. Forgetting Lord, that every moment when we are not remembering Krishna, every moment we are doing activity in the material world out of false ego as an independent entity, we are actually practicing at the spirit level. It is a negative feeling. Okay? It is betrayal of the Lord. That we are not aware. But in essence, it is betrayal of the Lord. Being a sense of being independent in existing, a sense of independence in living, a sense of independent self-protection, a sense of independent self-providing. I will earn what I want. A sense of independent self-maintenance. I will take care of myself. Because Jiva eternally is maintained by the Lord, provided by the Lord, is protected by the Lord. That is the truth. Even now, even in the material In all states of existence we need, because we are not independent. We are amsha. We need to be maintained, we need to be protected, we need to be provided. So this feeling of helplessness is very close to awakening. So therefore if you see, Bhaktya Mam Avijanati, everywhere Krishna is said in the Bhagavad Gita, okay, knowledge and all I have given you. Forget all these things. Sarva dharman parityaja mam ekam sharanam vraja. Just surrender unto me. That means utter dependence. Before that he all says, Tameva sharanam sarva gacchena bhavarta. In all your bhava, surrender unto the Lord in your heart. Krishna is telling Arjuna. So he is in the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna, the essence when it comes to the essence, he is talking about direct your feelings towards me. Now feelings are not separate from, a bhavana means, in English word you say feelings. Bhavana means a thought feeling. Behind every feeling there is a thought. When I feel helpless, it's not a standalone feeling. Behind that there are so many thoughts why you are helpless. You have realized why you are helpless. I don't have money, I have hundreds of problems, this problem, that problem. That you won't remember when you feel helpless. But behind that is all those things. Helplessness. So Krishna is in the Bhagavad Gita, the essence is he is telling us, please awaken your bhavana, your original bhavana. Your perverted bhavana is a cause of all your suffering. So this helplessness is surrender, helplessness. Though he chanted in a helpless manner out of fear of Ajamilas, out of fear, he is helpless to counter the threat from the Yamadutas, who is going to pull him out of his life. He is very helpless. And because he is attached, he doesn't want to go. His son is there. Attachment to Narayana. So he chants Narayana. It happens to be Krishna's name. It happens to be the Lord's name. Immediately he got protection. So it's a fact that even though materially caused helplessness, but in that state of that feeling of deep helplessness, he called out Narayana. So there was bhavana. That was not pure bhavana, but as I said, this abhasa helplessness is very close to real helplessness of the soul. And that is exactly why the reason why this practicing soulful japa. See, right now, I don't have Atma Bhavana. Because my spirit is sleeping. My spirit is sleeping. My Atma Bhavana is not there. But my soul is now influenced by this bhavanas of this world, which is generated by my chittam. It's called Mano Bhavana. Actually, Ajamila chanted with Mano Bhavana, not with Atma Bhavana. But that Mano Bhavana of helplessness is very close to the Atma Bhavana of a self being helpless. So we practice this Mano Bhavana, we do Bhavana in Japa. When we do Bhavana in Japa, dependence, surrender, all these things, different cards, you should not think that is your soul's awakened Bhavana. This Bhavana will awaken your soul's Bhavana. It will awaken soul surrender. It will awaken soul's joy. Joyfully chant. It will awaken soul's joy. Enthusiastically chant. It will awaken your soul's. It takes time. But when you chant with some bhavana. Even it is abhasa. Abhasa means shadow. Shadow bhavana.